Hey everyone, ever feel like that you are reading the books, you're watching the video, you are journaling your goals every single day, but your life isn't changing? You seems to be stuck. I've been there. It's painful. But the hack is that we don't need a plan. It's about doing the basics. And with this, we can grow faster than anyone else in the world. Anyone much faster than most of our competitors. And we seems to know all the basics. We need to eat better, we need to sleep better, we need to cut the distractions. The point is we don't need a new path, we just need to walk the one which is in front of us. And the problem comes, the biggest trap is that we seems to fall in something called the fallacy of the perfect pick. We wait for the ultimate plan, like the morning routine or the perfect workout or perfect business move or perfect career move. But conviction beats perfection. A decent plan with conviction, executed with conviction, is far better than a flawless plan that you never begin. And then comes that middle part, the foggy middle part, where the results aren't showing up and you're working hard and you are demotivated. But if you stick long enough there, if you keep showing there, you are going to beat 99% of the people around you, showing up when results aren't showing up. And that's it. That's the strategy. But how will you be consistent? Because that that foggy middle part demands discipline, and it is full of a lot of distractions. You easily maneuver to another direction, another goal. You hop onto new targets. But how to keep yourself motivated in that middle part? I got 2 tips to ease the execution. First is environment. Your habits grow what your environment allows. If junk food is in your kitchen, what will happen? You'll go and eat it. If water is in front of you, water bottle, you'll drink it. If your phone is buzzing all the time, you'll go pick and start scrolling. So you need to make your environment in such a way that your right choices are easy for you, not difficult. Second, practice. Growth comes from turning yourself into a disciplined man. Growth comes from turning the vague ideas you have in your brain into concrete action plans. Don't just say, I will be disciplined. Be specific. Note it down and start acting. I'll wake up at 5 a.m. I will do 3 days a week exercise. I will read 10 pages a day. I will track my spending every single day. All these small actions will compound eventually into your greater transformation. In the end, personal success is not about magic formula. It's about staying consistent long enough to stumble, learn, and adjust, and you will eventually be figuring out the perfect plan. It's not about reinventing yourself. It's about doing what you already know, but long enough and better every single day, so that you beat everyone else, because no one is ready to work as consistent as you want to. The growth comes from staying consistent, and there's no magic formula.